the shadows grow. Whispered winds carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless bird calls out in the endless blue. Clouds dissolve as the sunlight breaks through. Quiet sigh, the earth renews. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless No footsteps here, no trace, no sound. Just the pulse of life in the world around. Breath of the wind, the only cry. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. was quiet but not the same. And the sky above it whispered blue, a quiet promise, a morning new. And the wind, it carried my fears away. A whisper soft, it said, you'll be okay. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. The trees were swaying in perfect time. Their leaves were dancing, their song was mine. The ground beneath it hummed so low, a gentle rhythm, a steady glow. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. Every shadow fades at dawn. Every ending brings a song. The sun will rise, it always does. A quiet truth, a boundless trust. Rising slow, the quiet air, the world gets small. I don't care. All the way stays below, softer now, letting go. Endless sky, I'm drifting through, nothing to lose. Endless sky, endless blue. just the light, just the air. I was here, now I'm there. Whisper in the quiet sky, soft as the breeze that passes by. The world turns slow, no need to race. Hope lingers here in every space, and the light begins to grow. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Step by step, we'll find our way. Fresh horizons every day. The night fades into softest gold, a story new yet to be told. Each shadow lives, each worry fades, a hopeful calm, the dawn persuades, and the light begins to grow. Feel it warm, feel it show. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Step by step, we'll find our way. Fresh horizons every day. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds, kiss the sky. Step by step, we'll find our way. Fresh horizons every day. Pages turning slow like time won't leave. Moonlight paints the floor, it's hard to believe. The quiet speaks louder than words. Every creak in the night feels heard. Oh, midnight pages, where do you go? dot, every line holds a secret or a sly. Oh, midnight pages, where do you go? Filling the silence with stories untold, lines that drift like clouds in the sky. Midnight pages, my just the pages and me. A ripple in the quiet air, soft hands of time just linger there. The moon hums low, it doesn't care. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. A shadow bends, a sigh takes flight. The stars exhale their borrowed light. The stillness left around the night. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. Drift in the glow, drift in the glow, where nothing to hold is all we know. Breathe it in, let it show. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow. feathers drift in the air so slow. A soft wind speaks where the whispers go. Leaves bow down as the shadows grow. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. A bird calls out in the endless blue. The clouds dissolve as the sunlight breaks through. A quiet sigh, the earth relieves. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless No footsteps here, no trace, no sound, just the pulse of life in the world around. Breath of the wind, the only crown. Whisper the wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. Whispers in the moonlight, secrets softly sung, melodies that linger, hearts forever young, lost in quiet echo. unfolds, painting constellations before they all get old. In this gentle silence, our love finds its space. Chasing endless echoes, soft as velvet night. Underneath the moon glow, everything feels right. In these late night whispers, all our fears erase. Soft wind carries a feather's flight, where the sky meets the quiet light. A song of birds drifts through the air. No rush, no waves, just floating light. Whisperings on the breeze tonight. Soft and still like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight. The trees hum low, a gentle sound. Roots so deep they kiss the ground. Clouds move slow, they stretch and sway. The horizon blurs, it melts. ticking clocks, no time to chase, just endless sky and open space. The pad hums low, a velvet tone. You're never lost, you're never alone. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight. Soft and still like a fade light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight. Soft wind carries up, feathers fly where the sky meets the quiet light. The song of bird drifts through the air. No rush, no way, just floating there. Whisper wings on the breeze tonight. Soft and still like a fading light. The world breathes slow, it feels so right. Whispered wings on the breeze tonight. The trees hum low, a gentle sound. Roots so deep they kiss the ground. Clouds move slow, they stretch and sway. The horizon blurs, it blurs tonight. No ticking clocks, no time to chase, just endless sky